Hello, myself B. Suhas and I am from ITB, and my topic is data mining methods to detect medical fraud. And medical fraudulent activities have made medical insurance expenditures rise year by year. And this not only increases the burden on the medical and financial systems but also makes it difficult for many people in need to obtain these resources. And therefore, how to solve this problem has become one of the critical issues. And therefore, this study aims to establish a predictive model of medical insurance fraud through data mining methods and attempts to discover important factors affecting the fraud. In this work, we will use decision tree, support vector machines and backpropagation neural networks to establish classification models, and a comparison of these three methods will be done. And we will use decision trees to extract important factors that could provide important information for efficiently detect medical fraud. Hopefully, we can effectively reduce the negative impact of medical insurance fraud. Data mining applied in fraud detection. Data mining for fraud detection and prevention classifies and segments data groups in which millions of transactions can be performed to find patterns and detect fraud. And neural networks, that is suspicious patterns, are learned and used to detect further. Algorithms used to detect fraud. And fraud detection machine learning algorithms using logistic regression. What is logistic regression? Logistic regression is a supervised learning technique that is used when a decision is categorical. And it means that the result will be either fraud or non-fraud if a transaction occurs. Types of fraud detection techniques: statistical data analysis and artificial intelligence. And these are of four types, and here in machine learning it is also divided into other two types, that is supervised and unsupervised. Research design. Health insurance for the Taiwan region is responsible for workers, farmers, fishermen receive government health insurance agencies mainly for the provision of employment of health insurance process, and the scope of its benefits by insurer containing the reproductive benefit, injury benefit, disability benefit, old age benefits, death benefits such as missing payments related business, mainly in the protection by insurers, and in the event of emergency through the social welfare system to help the insurer to maintain a normal life with their families. And this study through the scientific technology to assess the original artificial case of the admissibility of the above applications and to prevent medical fraud as a result of loss caused by the community, thus putting in a lot of review about 7 lakh cases per month on the human cost of the required cost and time. Therefore, the effective use of scientific method in the unrelated tradition of the original database to find information in the focus of this study. Methods and steps. The business process of health insurance claims is indicated in figure 1. If the insurance has an accident after being treated in medical institutions, he or she should be fill up the application form in the unit and which he or she belongs to submit relevant supporting documents to the health insurance company. Upon receipt, data should be entered in the Capito Health Insurance application system. After the decision is made, actions will be taken accordingly to the claims. These steps of the research methods can be divided into 4 stages. Stage 1 include interviews of sources of problems and requirements and identification of problems, the fitness of raw data and relevant data collection. Stage 2 select an available variable on the basis of information collected in stage 1. Stage 3 construct and adjust the model, conduct the matrix analysis and cross validation with the 20/80 principle. And stage 4 select the best model pursuant to the 20/80 principle and the percentage of the coverage and accuracy ratio. And this is the diagram of medical insurance of government. Feasibility of the application of 20/80 principle to the data mining. Research finds that it can really reduce the labor input in the review to screen the largest percentage of the questionable cases, the smallest sample size by applying the 20/80 principle. Meanwhile, the original dependence on the high input of the labor costs can be relieved. Technology and knowledge transfer needs to be broken through. It seems that manual operation is inevitable, and so the inspection units with the payment units, better solutions can be provided for the latest inspectors. And here it is known how to transfer the knowledge and need to be broken through. Speed of the feedback mechanism for finding out medical fraud cases. If the mining results can be integrated with the application system of every business stages, medical fraud cases can be found out early with the help of effective marks of the application system, and the performance of adult and inspection can be enhanced. And at last, we can conclude that as all kinds of health insurance all have their respective professional fields, the mining and summarization of rules cannot be implemented comprehensively. So therefore, the future research will aim at the development of a platform which is unable to store its data gained by data mining. Thank you.